This is an exciting opportunity to acquire a charming colonial home in the desirable Eastridge Acres neighborhood of Mendon, Vermont. The property is set on a serene 1.72-acre lot, offering breathtaking mountain views. This three-bedroom, two-bathroom home provides 1,768 square feet of comfortable living space. Constructed in 1967, the home features a cozy fireplace, a sun porch, a deck, a full basement, and an attached two-car garage. The community offers shared access to a peaceful picnic area and a pond with a dock, ideal for relaxation and family time. Eastridge Acres is a quiet residential area, perfect for families, retirees, or those seeking a second home. The neighborhood is conveniently located just off Townline Road and is part of the highly regarded Barstow Memorial School district, with the added benefit of high school choice. This prime location offers proximity to essential amenities and attractions. It is only 5 minutes from Rutland Regional Medical Center, 12 minutes to Pico Mountain, and 21 minutes to Killington Resort. This home represents a fantastic opportunity to enjoy a tranquil lifestyle while being close to recreation, healthcare, and top-rated schools. The live auction will take place on Thursday, June 12, 2025, at 11 in the morning, with registration and inspection starting at 10 in the morning. There is an open house scheduled for Wednesday, May 28th, from 11 in the morning to 1 in the afternoon. Contact us today for more information.